7 reasons why real estate is the best investment. The most well-known and widely used alternative asset class is real estate, and there are numerous benefits to investing in real estate. In this video, we'll go over some of the top justifications for investing in real estate, particularly given the current state of the economy. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Real estate ownership has always been a sign of prestige, money, and authority. It is considered the safest method of protecting one's money, along with gold. Many new investing choices emerged as we entered the modern era. Investors have a variety of alternatives for storing their money, including equities, bonds, fixed deposits, mutual funds, digital currency, and cryptocurrency. 2. Tax advantages. Real estate tax deductions can balance out income and lower overall taxes. Rental income is not subject to self-employment taxes. At the same time, the government provides tax advantages for mortgage interest, insurance, maintenance and repair costs, and even property depreciation. For their long-term investments, real estate investors receive reduced tax rates. 3. Leverage. Leverage, or the ability to invest a small amount of one's own money and borrow the rest to purchase a property, is a very important advantage of real estate investment. If you use your savings for a down payment and take out a mortgage loan to pay it off. 4. Material asset. Being a physical asset, real estate may be used to profit from a variety of income sources while experiencing capital growth. Real estate's strong tangible asset value, as opposed to other investments like stocks with minimal or no tangible value, offers perpetual security because its value will never decline. Real estate has no insurmountable financial obstacles and is simple to buy, finance, and improve your lifestyle while offering tax advantages. 5. Real estate can be left to your heirs. Passing down real estate can be an even better way to leave a legacy if you wish to do so, but don't believe going cash is a smart option. You will not only be leaving your descendants an asset that generates income, but one that will also appreciate in value. In order to perpetuate the heritage, they have two options: sell the property or maintain it and keep the money. 6. Perhaps you feel secure financially. When you invest in the market, there isn't much to feel safe about. However, as the year 2020 showed, everything may change in an instant. You might have a substantial investment one minute and lose it all the next. Long-term real estate investing ensures you have an asset that will increase in value. Housing often recovers if you stick to it for a long enough period of time. 7. You can expand your real estate portfolio using the equity. Expanding your real estate portfolio is a preferred approach to utilizing the equity of an investment property. Consider the scenario where you own property in equity. It is possible to remortgage it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.